Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cambria. I make videos on everything beauty and a little bit of fashion. So if that is something that you are interested in, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and join the family. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me and trying out some of the new SHOPMISSA products that I was sent in my last video. If you haven't seen that, I will link it above here so that you can check it out. And if that is something that you are interested in seeing, then please keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so to start out, I have already cleansed, toned, exfoliated, and moisturized my skin. For moisturizer today, I used my Beauty Fluid Liquid from Olay, mixed in with a few drops of the Paula's Choice 10% Niacinamide Booster to help with the unevenness of the skin and getting rid of some of these spots from breakouts. So I love this stuff whenever I have a breakout, and using it consistently, it really does help with getting rid of the redness. And then for primer today, I used the there we go, I used the e.l.f. Poreless Primer on the go, and I just applied that everywhere on my T-zone area. And then for lashes, I actually already applied these because I didn't want to wait. I wanted to put them on already. These are the SHOPMISSA AOA Studio in Alexis, and I really like them. I thought that they were going to be similar. In my last video, I was saying that they looked like they would be very similar to the Ardell Demi Wispies, and they are. So I'm really liking them right now, and I just used my Duo Lash Glue to apply them. For foundation today, I am using my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and I wear it in the shade Suede. So I'm just going to be applying this all over. Using my Jaff Foundation Makeup Brush, and these are from Amazon. I'll try to link them below, but I really like these ones. More layer of my foundation, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my blending sponge. I'm doing somewhat of a stippling motion because I want this to go on for medium to heavy coverage. If you guys want a lighter coverage out of this one, then just do like one layer, and then it still looks really good. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my blending egg on, and this is from Beaky. I think it's called Beaky. I got them off of Amazon. I'm gonna use this one because it's larger all over, but I did get a smaller, like, it's called the Wonder Blender from AOA, from SHOPMISSA, and I'm gonna use that for under eye and concealing today. These are the Beaky cosmetic eggs from Amazon, and they come in a pack of 5, and I can't remember what I paid for it. I think it was only like $5 or $6, something like that. But anyway, I'll link them below. Concealer today, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Nude. Doing a triangle underneath the eyes. Apply some of it to my blemishes. So look how soft this is. Super excited. I'm gonna use this to blend underneath the eyes. And I have my little midi rings on. These are from SHOPMISSA as well. It's blending it in super fast too. I don't know if it's because it's so like jelly and like soft, but it actually is like making it so I don't have to spend a ton of time blending, which I love. So for setting my concealer today, I'm using the LA Girl Powder Concealer, and I'm not sure what shade because it's like blended off. But if I can find it, I will link it in the description box below for you guys. Setting my under eyes, I like to use a good amount because it's gonna blend out anyway throughout the day when your skin warms up and the natural oils start, and that's usually when your makeup starts to look the best. Another powder that I really like to use for setting under the eyes as well is the Revlon The Color Stay, and this one is a pressed powder, and this is in medium, and this really does stay really well. So that's another option for you guys if you want like a different product besides the LA Girl Pro Conceal powder underneath the eyes. This one's a good one too. I want to go in and set the remainder of my foundation, and I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match, and this is in the shade C7. So now I'm basically applying it everywhere where I didn't set the other one, with exception to like my blemishes, because I want it to be really even tone over those areas, but I want to keep my under eyes super bright. So now I'm gonna start my contouring, and I am using my NYX matte bronzer, and this is in the shade Deep Tan. I'm gonna use this large e.l.f. fluffy brush that I used for packing in my setting powder. So now we just really want to start creating that depth into the face and bringing it back. Now that we've smoothed out and even toned everything, I like to start making like a sun-kissed look on the skin now. So now we have some dimension back into the skin, so it starts to look a little bit more healthy and a little bit more radiant. My go-to blush palette right now is the REALHER You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette, you guys. If you wanted to see the products that I got from REALHER, I will link that video somewhere up here so that you can check it out. I love the message of this brand, and it's all about women empowerment and strengthening women. So I love this brand, and all of the products, so like how it says You Are Brilliant on there, I mean, all of their products have that type of message. So I have been wearing out Visionary and Passionate, and I also love the Genuine. So these two and this one I've been wearing out. I think I want to go for like more of a peachy today. So I'm going to do Passionate and Visionary as well, so that I can just get like a super cute springy kind of bronzed look. So I'm going to go in with those two shades, and I'm using the large e.l.f. brush again. I haven't got any product off of it because I like it to warm up and seamlessly blend all of the colors together. Highlighter, I am going to be using my new, this is the Glow Baby Illuminating Drops from SHOPMISSA that I just got. So I'm going to try these. I didn't get like a ton of like facial products and stuff, so that's why you guys can tell I'm only using like certain products from the line, because I didn't get like a ton of like palettes or anything like that, but I'm trying to use a lot of what I did pick up from them. Ooh, I don't know which one that I want to use. These are so cute. Okay, because we're going for more of a, I'm so obsessed with like, I wish I could like instantly ask you guys, hey, which one do you think I should use today? But I am gonna go with the Morning Glow shade. I'm going to apply this in like a C shape. I'm gonna do a couple dots. Oh my god, I love it already. It's super pretty. Then I'm gonna take their little Wonder blender, and I'm just gonna blend this out. Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. I don't even think that the camera is like doing it justice. Next up for finishing powder, I'm using the AOA Perfect, and this is just their setting powder. So I'm just gonna set everything. So the setting powder actually feels pretty thick. I like it. Eyebrows today, I'm using my LORAC Take a Brow. I have it in the shade Brunette. I'm gonna quickly go do my, oh, here's what it looks like if you guys haven't seen it, because I'm gonna go do my eyebrows off camera really quick, and then I will be back. But here's what it looks like. So it's I just dropped the brush. Eyebrow pan, which I love. So it has the lighter, the darker, and then the wax, so you can set your brows really nice. So I am gonna quickly go and do my brows off camera. If you guys wanna see how I fill in my brows, I will link that video up here so that you can go and check it out, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so now that my eyebrows are complete, we're gonna finish off with a little bit of lips and mascara on the bottom of the eyes, and that will be it. So I just really wanted this to showcase the products that some of the products that I recently got from SHOPMISSA, and then it's kind of like an everyday glam, so you don't look over the top, and not too basic, so it's a little bit in between. So for mascara, I'm using the SHOPMISSA Fat Lash, and I'm just gonna be using it on the bottom lashes. Ooh, I like the brush. The brush is really nice. It's actually not what I expected for a fat lash name. Usually they make like really fat brushes. I mean, that really accentuated the bottom lashes. So we'll see how well it wears, but I do like the brush and I do like the formula so far. And this was like $1, so that's crazy. My lips now, and I'm trying to think of what color I want to do for this particular look, because it's like understated glam, I guess would be what I'm going for. I think I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics in Earth. You guys know I love this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my BH Cosmetics lip liner, waterproof lip liner in Earth. I'm obsessed with this color. I use it all the time. And I'm just like slightly overlining the lips today. I did use my Juba lips earlier today when I first got up. So if you want to see my results and my opinion on that, I will link that video in the description box or somewhere up here so you can check it out. I have been consistently using it to see how well the results will hold up. For lip color today, I am using the REALHER, what is it? The REALHER Moisturizing Lipstick in Girl Power. I've worn this one before and you guys seem to really like it. I did too. It's super pretty. Last but not least, I'm going to set everything with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I'm almost out of it. I'm gonna have to order some more. So that is it for this look. I hope that you enjoyed it. It's kind of an understated glam, and I wanted to be sure to try out some of the new products that I got from SHOPMISSA. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be thumbs up so that I know to keep creating content like this. And until the next video, bye guys.